May still be stick season out here, but when the sun's out and still at a fairly low angle, forest can be quite pretty and peaceful nevertheless. You know that once these lower bushes, once they bloom, I'm assuming that's green leaves that come out of them, this whole area on both sides of the trail is going to be very difficult to see past except on the high bits. So sometimes stick season gives you a longer view. Final ascent up Blood Mountain. The first really steep ascent on the Appalachian Trail so far. All right, Blood Mountain Shelter. This is the Blood Mountain Summit, highest point in the Georgia part of the Appalachian Trail. So here on the top of Blood Mountain, you can see behind me, and I did meet some trail angels here. And here they are right here. Hi. Yep. Local from Duluth, Georgia. Not Minnesota. View to the southeast, south, and southwest on the east side of Blood Mountain. Not the summit of Blood Mountain, but a much bigger viewpoint looking to the west. And here it is, Tesnatee Gap. There's Mountain Crossing right there. Loads of shoes in this tree. Well, I spent a fair bit of time here at Mountain Crossings because I did get the full pack shakedown and then shipped a bunch of stuff to my mom's place, and now we're heading off. I don't think I'm going to get to Low Gap today. In fact, there's not a chance I'm getting that far or even close to that. Tesnatee Gap is much more likely, and unfortunately that would mean I'm only averaging a little over 15 miles a day, which means today is going to be a really short mileage day. Now Tesnatee Gap is a car park, so I would like to get a little away from that when camping, because camping near a road is usually a little sketchy. So I would have to proceed further, but past Tesnatee Gap is a big old hill. So basically I would have to be at Tesnatee pretty well before sunset if I do want to go up that hill a fair distance, so that I'm safely away from the road. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But with a lighter pack, that might be easier to make a good pace, even though today is still likely to be a shorter mileage day because of all the downtime at Mountain Crossings. All right, it's getting kind of late, so Tesnatee Gap it is, and I'll just look for a place that's not readily visible from the road or that little car park, because that's the mountain I have to go up and over to get to Hog Pen Gap.